Hey learner. Welcome to Daily English. Let's learn English. Head. My head feels heavy after a long day. L. The skull protects my brain from injury. Face. Her face lit up when she heard the good news. Eyes. My eyes are sensitive to bright light. Ears. I can hear music clearly with my ears. Nose. My nose smells the delicious aroma of food. Mouth. I use my mouth to express my thoughts. My teeth need regular brushing to stay healthy. Tongue. The ice cream tastes sweet on my tongue. Neck. My neck feels stiff from sitting too long. Throat. My throat is sore from talking all day. Shoulders. Carry my bag on my shoulders. Arms. My arms are sore after the workout. Elbows. I accidentally bumped my elbows on the table. Wrist. My wrists hurt from typing for hours. Hands. My hands are very beautiful and delicate. Fingers. I use my fingers to play the piano. Chest. My chest feels tight when I am stressed. My back aches after lifting heavy boxes. Spine. My spine keeps me upright and strong. Ribs. I protect my ribs by wearing a safety vest. Abdomen. My abdomen feels full after the big meal. Hips. I sway my hips while dancing. Pelvis. The pelvis supports my lower body movement. Legs. My legs are tired from running. Knees. My knees bend easily when I squat. Ankles. I twisted my ankles while playing soccer. Feet. My feet are sore after walking all day. Toes. I wiggle my toes in the sand at the beach. Heart. My heart beats faster when I'm excited. Lungs. My lungs fill with fresh air when I breathe deeply. Stomach. My stomach growls when I'm hungry. Liver. My liver helps detoxify my body. Kidneys. My kidneys filter waste from my blood. Pancreas. My pancreas regulates my blood sugar levels. Small intestine. My small intestine absorbs nutrients from food. Large intestine. My large intestine helps with digestion. Brain. My brain controls all my thoughts and actions. Blood vessels. My blood vessels transport oxygen throughout my body. Muscles. My muscles feel strong after exercising. Bones. My bones provide structure to my body. Skin. My skin feels soft after applying lotion. Hair. My hair shines in the sunlight. Nails. My nails are neatly trimmed and polished. Joints. My joints allow my body to move flexibly. Cartilage. My cartilage protects my joints from rubbing together. Ligaments. My ligaments hold my bones together. Tendons. My tendons connect my muscles to my bones. Bladder. My bladder signals me when I need to use the restroom. Urethra. The urethra helps expel urine from my body. Testes. The testes produce important reproductive cells. Esophagus. My esophagus transports food to my stomach. Diaphragm. My diaphragm helps me breathe deeply. Gallbladder. My gallbladder stores bile to aid in digestion. Spleen. My spleen helps filter blood and fight infections. Lymph nodes. My lymph nodes swell when I'm fighting an infection. Thank you for watching.